Welcome everyone to our channel. Today, we're discussing a topic that's been on the minds of many dog owners. How often should you walk your dog? It's a common question. And the answer isn't as simple as you might think. Firstly, it's important to understand that every dog is unique. Factors such as breed, age, and health can greatly influence how much exercise your furry friend needs. Some dogs may require multiple walks each day, while others may be satisfied with just one. Puppies, for instance, have a lot of energy and need several short walks, along with playtime each day. Older dogs, on the other hand, might not be as energetic but still benefit from regular shorter walks. Then, there's the breed factor. Active breeds like Border Collies or Labradors, for example, require more exercise than smaller breeds like French Bulldogs or Chihuahuas. But remember, every dog is an individual and these are just guidelines. Health is another important consideration. If your dog has a health condition, like arthritis or heart disease, it may limit their ability to exercise. Always consult with your vet about the best exercise plan for your dog. In general, it's a good rule of thumb to aim for at least one walk per day. But remember, walking isn't the only form of exercise and mental stimulation a dog needs. Playtime, training sessions, and even puzzle toys can all contribute to keeping your dog happy and healthy. So, there you have it. Walking your dog is an essential part of their care and well-being, but the frequency will depend on their individual needs. Always pay attention to your dog's behavior as they will often let you know if they need more or less exercise. Thanks for watching and remember, a happy dog is a walked dog.